Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
Best Rebounder Trampoline for lymphatic drainage. Have you ever felt sluggish or like your body is holding on to extra fluid? Well, you may benefit from improving your lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system is crucial for removing waste and toxins from your tissues, but it doesn't have a pump like your heart to drive circulation. That's where rebounder trampolines come in. Rebounding, or gently bouncing on a mini trampoline, is one of the best ways to get your lymphatic system moving. Each time you come off the mat, it's like you're exercising your whole body with low impact. The bouncing motion activates the lymphatic vessels which line your tissues, and help squeeze out stagnant fluid. Clinical studies have shown just 10 minutes of rebounding per day can increase lymphatic flow by up to 20%. If sluggish lymphatic drainage has you feeling bloated or lethargic, it may be time to look into a rebounder trampoline. One great option is the Bellicone Rebounder. Made with ultra-stable legs and a high-quality mat with 360-degree bouncing, the Bellicone comfortably accommodates users of any age or size. It provides an effective full-body rebounding session while being gentle on joints. The Bellicone features an adjustable height system as well, so you can modify the bounce for your fitness level or individual needs. Whether you use it for 10 minutes a day or enjoy longer rebounding sessions for exercise, the Bellicone is a smart investment for improving your health in the long run. So if you're seeking natural lymphatic support, be sure to check out the Bellicone Rebounder Trampoline today. Does rebounding on a mini trampoline sound like it could help you feel your best? Subscribe to my channel Best Rebounder Trampoline to learn more lymphatic drainage tips and stay up to date on special deals for Bellicone rebounders. You can also visit our website to sign up for email alerts whenever new discounts are available. Remember, just 10 minutes a day of rebounding is a simple lifestyle change that can lead to an improved sense of well-being. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if you have any other questions. That's a wrap on how rebounder trampolines can boost your lymphatic drainage. Thanks as always for watching and supporting my channel. Remember to like this video, share it with a friend who may also benefit from lymphatic support, and hit subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads. I hope you give rebounding a try. You'll feel results before you know it. This is Healthy Bouncing signing off until next time.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.